of interface and not seeing the evaluator who is going to evaluate them, and they are just learning and learning. So incorrect assignment submission were the other thing, and we took this as an opportunity and enhanced the feature in the online evaluation framework, that is the e-learning technology itself, where we allowed the teacher to check the assignment, download it and re-upload it. Why I am focusing on these points, all these things, they imbibe a kind of technological culture for these particular trainers, because they are not known to all these, they are not very well versed with this, using such kind of e-learning technologies. The moment we started giving them some kind of relaxation, but still making them and ensuring it that they do it, and they are not, escaped out of this particular scene and this particular technology, we got the results. Then some virus-infected assignments were submitted because of non-literacy of, actually using the antivirus software at the workstation itself. So suddenly we got to know that n number of assignments are not being evaluated. Why? Because all the assignments were quarantined on the server side. So we actually had to again give them a chance, added a feature in the evaluation framework itself, from where some virus scanning will happen at the local end. So just I want to catch your attention to both the points, that how the e-learning technology need to get enhanced so as to cope up with the grassroots levels, because these ground realities are not going to change. The moment we say that we are not going to change with the e-learning technologies and you better change and cope up with this is not going to work. The moment we had that kind of flexibility so as to make the things working at the ground level, then we got these results. We also faced some natural calamities like floods last year in the state of Maharashtra. Evaluators' performance was also a very key point, because these are also a new thing. These evaluators are also new evaluators, new to this technology. Only thing is that they are good in the actual IT literacy related office automation tools. But their orientation was a problem. For example, they were not very well versed in, and they were not actually confident with written English. So the moment we said that they are supposed to give corrective feedback to individual trainers, there was a problem, because their feedback was not understood by the trainer at all. Then as an addition, what we did was, we provided them the interface in local language. That was the point which was mentioned by someone here. So then it was very easy for them to write the feedback and submit it online, so that it will be understood by the trainer. Also we used again the distributed classroom technology to train them, to conduct these sessions for them and orient them properly. There was a continuous request for re-evaluation. This is again an habit which is found at the grassroots, that even if one is passed, he is going to call and say that, ma'am, please check and please do some re-evaluation. Perhaps I might have done well. Now, in view of this particular thing, there was a large queue of requests. So what we did, we enhanced the system again. We set up a criteria, and automatically the assignments were routed to the re-evaluation. And the result was made available in a very personalized fashion to that particular individual trainer. So the moment that trainer, started finding that, yes, I am being facilitated very personally, in a very personalized manner, they started believing this system. And then the calls coming to us, to our call center, they got slowly reducing and reducing. They started responding to our SMS gateway facility when we started actually following up with them just to complete the evaluations and so on and so forth. So all these things, all the difficulties were faced, and slowly we actually made the e-learning technology work for all of them. What are the spin-offs and future directions in this? This entire model of onset has now become the generic model, and it can be replicated for conducting any IT-based certification programs. This can also be used for the students of the universities, colleges offering the distance education programs. Now look at the statistics, which will definitely show what I have been saying till this point. We conducted 5 sequential events, and now more than 12, actually exact number is here, that is 12,137 trainers actually appeared for this test. This means that these 12,137 trainers actually use the e-learning technology very effectively, very efficiently, because it is linked to their actually profession, because they are the IT literacy trainers. And look at the number of assignments they submitted. The total number of assignments submitted is 1,80,181. And all these assignments got evaluated, and personalized feedback was given to each and every individual learner. What is the statistics which is working at the back end? So all these trainers, they come from 3,002 centers. The number of examination centers where we conducted the supervised examination at the district locations were 42. only 67 evaluators spread across the state of Maharashtra evaluated all these assignments with personalized feedback. Obviously, there were some experts who were engaged in developing and designing the assignments, then some customization, maintenance support was required, system administration was required. So what could be the conclusion? Why this has become a case study that we feel? Because of its unique methodology for skill testing, the quality of assignments, the huge number of uploaded assignments. The very important thing is the functional use of state-of-the-art e-learning technology framework by thousands of grassroots trainers who are spread across the state of Maharashtra. And definitely the very important thing is the characteristic collaborative effort of the evaluators to offer personalized corrective feedback to the trainers. So when I stated the problem definition, let us see the conclusion of it also. So the complex parameters that we tried to solve with this particular case study is low cost, high quality, high speed, high touch, wide access, and the last point is personalized experience to masses. So though we are trying to reach masses, it has to be extremely personalized. So these are the 6 complex parameters which we could try to solve, and this is the case study which I wanted to share with you. Now, I think any issues and any doubts you can actually please raise.
Thanks.